My name's Sophie Lynn. I work remote, live alone in a quiet suburb just outside Portland. Nothing weird ever happens here. At least, that's what I used to think. It started last Monday. I opened the door to grab an Amazon order, but instead, there was a small black box sitting on my welcome mat. No label, no markings, no return address. I figured maybe it was from a neighbor or a company promo thing. Took it inside, opened it up. Inside was a flash drive and a note. One word in block letters, watch. I plugged it into my laptop, probably stupid I know, and opened the only file on it, a video, 3 minutes long. It was footage of me, sleeping, shot from inside my bedroom. The angle faced my bed, slightly tilted, like it was resting on a shelf or nightstand. I watched in silence, goosebumps rising as the camera slowly zoomed in on my face. Near the end of the clip, a shadow moves across the wall behind me. I didn't sleep that night. Next morning, I pulled up the doorbell cam from the night before. Around 3:17 a, the camera flickers on. The black box is suddenly just there. No delivery driver. No footsteps. It didn't get dropped off. It just appeared. Tuesday night, I set up my own hidden camera in my room. Covered every angle. I even slept with a kitchen knife under my pillow. Nothing happened until the next morning. Another package, same box, sitting exactly where the last one had been. Inside, my toothbrush, wrapped in clear plastic, clean but damp. And another note, tomorrow I called the cops. They came, took a report, walked around the property, found nothing. No prints, no tire tracks, no signs of entry. They were polite, but you could tell they didn't take it seriously. That night, I didn't sleep, just waited. Nothing came, but at exactly 3:17 a.m., my Wi-Fi went out. Every light in the house flickered, and I heard 3 slow knocks on the front door. I didn't open it. The next morning, no package. But when I checked the doorbell footage, the camera had been turned to face the wall. I started packing to leave. I didn't care where, a hotel, a friend's house, anywhere but here. That's when I noticed something written across the bathroom mirror, drawn with my eyeliner. Too late. That was yesterday. I'm sending this story to every local news outlet, every Reddit thread, every horror blog I can find, in case something happens to me tonight. It's 3:14 a.m. right now. I can hear footsteps in the hallway, but I live alone.